We flew to talk to you about ornithology.
That's the study of birds, you see, and we know a thing or two. So perch right here and listen to a bird's eye view.
I'm happy-eyed a bluebird. This color suits me well. My feathers are a lovely shade, as you can plainly tell. Look at me, and you will see more than just one note. I'm a painted bunting. I'm yellow, red, and blue. So what does that mean?
One color suits me very well. I'm red from tail to crest. And if you were to ask me, I'd say that I'm the best.
Oh my goodness!
As an owl, I've been told that I am very wise. And if there were a contest, I would take the prize.
Eagles soar above the clouds on higher elevations. We are a symbol and an emblem of our nation. I'm an Oriole from Baltimore. I'm orange and I am black. If you check me out, you'll see there's nothing that I lack. Does that mean anything? I'm a little sparrow, not as fancy as the rest. I may not be too colorful, but I can build a nest. Enough of all this bragging. This fussing is all wrong. Let's have ourselves a contest. We've got a pretty song.
Oh. Yeah. Back to our nest now. Polish up our bills. We'll need to practice all of our screws.
Everybody knows.
Our food consists of insects, berries, nuts, and seeds.
Forgotten buried acorns sometimes grow to be oak trees.
When anyone comes near us, we're protective of our nest.
We will shrink and dive at anything we think to be a pest.
I thought to be aggressive, so people call us names.
Copying other birds causes another claim to fame.
We're shades of blue, as you can see, and even have a crest.
We will now perform a boogie to win this bird contest.
We are iridescent hummingbirds and we're unique in flight. To see us fly and hover is a darting place. Our favorite food is nectar. It's our energy provider. We also feast on insects and we snitch one from the spider. We're living helicopters and elusive as can be. We pollinate the flowers just exactly like the bees. Our habitat is limited to the western hemisphere. The closer to the equator, the more of us appear. We migrate to escape the cold. It makes us feel unknown. We've been sitting still too long. We will now begin to hum. We fly so fast, sometimes it's hard to see. So instead we hum when we do our thing. We never get to rest, and that's alright. That's the way it goes when you're a hummer. We are so tight, our voices are very small. In fact, we are the smallest friends of all. So listen very close to hear our song. And when you think you know it, you can sing We fly so fast, sometimes it's hard to see. So instead we hum when we do our thing. We never get to rest, and that's alright. That's the way it goes when you're a hummer. We are the parents, and we once were someone's pets. We live all around this country and mega spots yet. Our beaks are strong, our feet hold tight. We love the summertime. We use our feet to hold our food. We use our beaks to climb. We do not understand your words, though we copy them galore. We move our heads to talk because we have no vocal cords. We started in the tropics, but our range has expanded. We have large brains, and just like you, we're either right or left-handed. A screaming, squawking flock of us will create quite a din. We hope you're ready for our song. Our performance will now begin. Turn
We're the woodpeckers. We like to tap and jump. Sometimes looking just for food, sometimes just having fun. Our heads are shock absorbent and skulls are really thick.
Soft, this rash had a few of the biggest mountains. All school species live on poles and trees. The rider birdies can make and game on these trees. The downy is the smallest, if you want to scrutinize. Talk about the pearly. He is supersized. Rhythm is our favorite thing. We'll dance it and we'll sing it. And if you'd like to join us, I guess you'll have to wing it. If you'd like to hear a variety of calls, word the birds you want, we know them all. Mimicry is a specialty. You can bark just like a dog, sound like a piano, a cricket, or a frog. Ribbit! We are seldom in a flock because we like to live alone. We are solitary birds, you see, we go it on our own. We build our nest right on the ground to raise our family.
When evening comes, we sing our song right from the highest trees. 5 states, including Texas, have named us their state bird. Now it's time for us to sing the
best song you have heard.
right. This attitude is for the birds, all my feathered friends. This competition has gone wrong. But how do we amend?
Little birdie told me that the sweetest song would be when every bird sang its own song in perfect harmony. Sing your own song, your very own song. Don't try to sing another's melody.
guys so much for coming. As you see again tonight, they did just a fantastic job. They're all really hard workers. We're really proud of all of them. If you need to take any photos, of course, we have an opportunity for you to do that. I know we have some cast members who have still some signatures to get from their co-stars. So, we're just going to play it by ear. Thank you so much for coming again. I really hope you enjoyed it.